we have two words, but one it is. Got it? That's why it is called. What it is? All of you tell which conjunction? Correlative conjunctions. I'll tell you an example. Just I'll draw an image. His name is Ramesh, and his name is Suresh. Got? Both are studying in 10th standard as you are studying SSLC. Both we are studying. Suresh always an irregular guy. Ramesh, irregular guy. Whereas Suresh also irregular. Both are irregular. How do you frame a sentence? Ibru burudula. Suresh salige sariyagi burudula, regular agi burudula. Ramesh burudula. How do you tell? Will you tell like this? Ramesh doesn't come to school regularly. Suresh doesn't come to school regularly. It's not wrong. Grammatically it is correct only. Sir, Suresh burudula dinalu school ge. Ibru SLC godaro you burudula. That time, two persons are not doing the same work. Not doing. Negative it is. Negative.
Neither Ramesh nor Suresh are regular.
Yes. Neither Ramesh nor Suresh are regular. No. Little correction. Of course, very good answer. Claps. 75% answer is correct. Claps. See example. See here. Start with the conjunction. Neither who? Ramesh. Neither Ramesh nor Suresh. Regularly. Now I'll give option. Come to school regularly or comes to school regularly? Come or comes? Comes. Very good. Remember, here two nouns. How many nouns are there? Two nouns. Ramesh. Neither Ramesh nor Suresh. I'll highlight conjunctions. Okay. Now, whenever neither nor is joined by two nouns, and though the nouns are two, but takes singular helping verb or suffix. Getting suffix. Now it is present. That's why what it is used a suffix. Come, not a comes. Getting a neither Ramesh nor Suresh comes to school regularly. I'll give an example. For me, one student is telling. For me, sir, for me, in SSLC, mathematics is also easy. Then English is also easy. Adu easy, idu easy, sir. Adu easy. Both are easy. How to tell? Use. Yadu difficulty illa nananga. Nananga maths difficulty illa, sir. Nananga English difficulty illa. Come on. Come on, I'll write. Shall I write? Yes. Neither what? Maths nor English difficult for me. Is difficult, was difficult, are difficult. Very good. Getting? Neither English, neither and nor. Neither English subject 1, subject mathematics, and English 1. Right? English is 1 and mathematics is also 1. Though we call it plural, but when we use correlative conjunction, we use singular helping verb. Remember, you may tell it in past also. After passing SSLC, after 2-3 years, you are discussing with your friends, college friends. See, when I was in college, now high school iದ್ದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗೇನಿ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗೇನಿ. That time was you lose or is? Very good. Claps. What ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? neither mathematics nor English was difficult for me. Getting it? Neither nor means now you understood. What? ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವನು ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ಅವನು ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವನು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಇವನು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, now understood? Got? Okay. What is either and or? Either or. What is either or?